doesn't stick at all. None of my eggs have stuck this far. Move around, no problem. Nothing's sticking. It's gonna stick to my spatula. Okay, thank you.
Alright, making these eggs on these HexClad. I don't know, like they are kind of sticking. I mean, they're not moving around too well. Yeah, am I gonna say I'm impressed with this pan or this griddle? No, not at all. I mean, it is a lot of work for eggs. I don't know. We'll see. I just made some tacos, some breakfast tacos. The only thing I used my griddle for was to heat up some tortillas. I did wash it and I did season it with oil. And I just wiped it clean and I got this black stuff. No idea what the heck that is. The pan is already cooling down. It's still a little warm. But what is this black stuff?
The stupidest pan. Like you're wasting the money. Like I'm putting the temperature minimum, bare minimum. And still it's like crazy. Not coming out. Struggle. Like should be not hard. Crazy. I don't know who come up with this stupid pan. Like people are robbing the regular people with the advertisement. This is crazy. It's a crepe and it came out like this. Stop.
See, it is non-stick. You just gotta have patience with the pan because it is a hybrid pan. So I don't have no butter, anything on the pan.